Hello and welcome students. We are here with another chapter of our already running series Know Your NLUs, and we are here with another NLU. We are here with Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar, and yes, today we will be covering everything that you really need to know about the college. काफ़ी सारी रिक्वेस्ट के बाद यस हम इसके बाद और भी चैप्टर्स पे आएंगे. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज देयर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू GNLU. सो यस अबाउट देम थोड़ा बहुत अगर मैं बताऊं तो दे आर NAAC accredited university, yes, and they were established under GNLU Act 2003, recognized by BCI and UGC. And yes, they have a research-based teaching university as well. So this is all that they already have, and this is all about them. Then yes, what is all really special or very different among all the national law universities that we have currently? What is different with GNLU? Yes, GNLU has a lot of rankings with respect to the same. You see the brochure and you will be knowing a lot many rankings. So yes, they were ranked, they had an NIRF ranking, they ranked 7th among the India law colleges. So yes, they have a very good ranking under NIRF. Then GSIRF 2023, they got 5-star rating in law category. So yes, this is one of the another category of ranking that they got. Then they got Outlook 2023 ranked 4th among the Outlook, and India Today ranked it in 2024 as 3rd law best college in India. Also then the week also gave them the rank 4th in 2023. That is all the GNLU rankings that we have as of now, and how all these rankings make the college better. Going ahead, what all are the courses that GNLU offer us is a lot many courses. अगर एक स्पेशलिटी है GNLU की तो वो यही है कि इनके पास काफ़ी सारे कोर्सेज हैं. जितने कोर्सेज हमारे पास बाकी सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में नहीं है, बट दे हैव अ लॉट मनी कोर्सेज टू गिव. सो दे हैव BLLB ऑनर्स, दे हैव BLLB BCom LLB, then we have BSc LLB also, then they have BBA LLB, then BSc WLLB honors as well. And yes, all these courses are offered to the students who get the merit list first, for sure, through CLAT examination paper, right? So criteria being, the criteria will always be what? The rankings, the CLAT merit list. So this is the courses that they offer. A lot many courses they already offer. Then if we see the UG seat matrix, this is the UG seat matrix with regard to the reservations also given. How much percentage of reservation would be provided to each and every category, and what is the general seats that they will offer, what is the movement reservation that they will be providing, and the PWD reservations as well. So yes, going also they have Gujarat domicile quota as well. Few of the states have this quota. So yes, other states does not have a lot of quota. Then UG seat matrix CLAT based, yes, they have NRI, foreign national, JNK, Northeast India, sports quota. This is a major key factor. अगर आप sports में बहुत अच्छे हो तो ये एक कॉलेज है जहाँ पे आपको स्पोर्ट्स कोटा भी मिलता है अलग से स्पेशली. तो yes, 2 for boys and 2 for girls that they provide for under UG, and this is for the PG seats कि वो PG में कितना वेरिएशन देते हैं. PG में they don't provide sports quota at all. Moving ahead, the authorities that you can see with respect to the GNLU campus and GNLU Silvassa both is that Professor Dr. S. Chand Kumar is being the director of the same college, and yes, Dr. Jagdish Chandra TG is the registrar for the same. Then we have campus highlights, the X factor. What is the major X factor that you should go ahead with the same college? They are multidisciplinary learning environment for sure. They are the campus quality learning is really better. Second, yes, international collaborations are also done. They have a collaboration with UNI, IALS, SLLI, AIU, SI. Yeah, these are certain organizations with which they have had a lot of collaborations with. इनके पास मूड कोर्ट्स हॉल भी है, लीगल एड क्लिनिक भी है, तो दे हैव ऑल द थिंग्स that are really required with the same. Then they have resource centers, student driven societies, yes, similar to other colleges as well. They have this running through the students. Internships and placement assistance also these people are providing with respect to the same. So yes, अगर मैं NLUs और थोड़े से प्राइवेट लॉ कॉलेजेस के बारे में बात करूँ तो यहाँ पे आपको ऑलरेडी फॉर्म्ड सोसाइटीज़ मिल जाती हैं, ऑलरेडी प्लेसमेंट सेल्स मिल जाते हैं, जिससे आपके लिए बहुत ईजी हो जाता है टू गेट द प्लेसमेंट्स. There was one more slide, I think वो आगे है, एक second. What all the students facilities is. So yes, they have on campus hostels which is separate for boys and girls. These are student facilities, modern classroom and smart learning tools. They have sports complex as well. अगर कोई बच्चा sports complex sports खेलने में बहुत ज़्यादा रुचि रखता है तो yes. Then they have gym as well. Then they have health center and cafeteria. They have Wi-Fi enabled campus and well equipped library as well. And then yes, we have the contact details of the college, which is this, and you can connect with them through these contact details. And yes, that is it for the video, and I really hope you really like the video, and we'll be coming up with another NLUs as well soon. So stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.